So today me and Kompis is in the garage and we have my Honda Snowblower in here, the one that got stolen. So a little update on that. Still haven't heard anything from the police, so I have no idea what happened with the guy that stole it. The police knew who he was, so I guess he was the name he gave me was a known name for the police. So, and the police said that probably he have given me his real name because someone don't have anything to lose or don't care. So who knows? I just know that I got my snowblower back. The shop have fixed everything now, so the battery should be in place. Let's have a look. Yep, there is a new battery. Not the same battery as I had before, but there is a new battery here. And they have changed out the cables. So, okay, the shop have done a really good job. I think I have to go back and make them fix something else, because for this snowblower that is on a trailer and everything, I don't think this is a good thing. So yeah, okay, I will go back for that, but I almost feel sorry for them. Yeah, I don't know what they were thinking with this, because this is not what I will call secured. But okay, regardless of the terrible battery install, today the plan is to change the oil on the snowblower and do service on it. So I have the manual for it, so I will check there and see what's needed to be done. It's have around 80 hours on it now, but oil you are supposed to change every year or at some hours, I don't remember. So let's change the oil on it, and yep, it's pretty easy. You just release this nut here and the oil comes draining out. So that's why I drove it up on the wood, so it would tilt a little bit this way, and I just extend this and down into the oil drain. Like that, and I have driven the engine before and heated it up and everything, so the oil should flow easily. Alright, it's finished draining the oil, so I checked the manual in the meantime, and oil is supposed to be changed first time the 20th hour or 100 hour every year, or every year. So if you don't drive it 100 hour a year, it's every year. So that's nice. And it's, I think it was 1.1 liter 5W30 that this engine is supposed to have. So now when the oil is drained, we can tilt it back down and have it level when we are filling the oil again. And these small gasoline engines don't have any oil filter or something like that. So, and filling oil we are doing here, and this should also have oil level, so we can check the oil level when we are filling. But on these small gasoline engines, the oil level is all the way up to the treads. Probably I don't have enough oil, but I can fill what I have, and then I need to go and buy more tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first day after Christmas that the shops have opened, so see, how far did we get? I'm guessing we are missing 0.2 liters, as this was almost a liter. Oh, you can see it's just on the bottom of the dipstick, so need more oil. So according to the manual, we should also check the tension of the belts, and this is, I think this is good. It shouldn't be any tighter or looser. It could rather be a little bit tighter than this, but I think this is good. I don't have any problems of it slipping or tracking off, so yeah, it's the same on this side as well, so I think this is good. Then I want to drain the carburetor, so let's get the cup. So draining the carburetor is something you should do pretty often, because or every time you are parking it for the summer, you should drain the carburetor, because then you're draining the water out of it, and if you are leaving the carburetor with water in, everything can rust and seize, and yeah, then you need a new carburetor. But now you're getting straight fuel, so wasn't much water in this one. Yep, fuel. For this Honda Snowblower, you are supposed to change the oil the first 20th hour, and you should adjust the tracks then. And then after that you are changing the oil every 100 hour or each year. And then you have the spark plug, you will change at 300 hour or every 4 year. And yeah, the rest of that is it's not much. You will first at 300 hours you can check the valve clearing and stuff like that, but other than that it's not much else to do. I will just now lubricate everything a little bit so stuff is moving a little bit smoother. So there the oil level is correct, so it wasn't much oil needed before we was at the right level. So according to the 100-hour service in the manual, it is changing the oil, checking the tension on the tracks, and cleaning out the carburetor, and yeah, that's it. I have also lubricated all moving joints, and it's ready, so let's go test it. I managed to pack the chute with snow because I was driving it into this snowbank, so it had nowhere to go with the snow right here, and then I packed it everything full of it. But luckily Honda comes with this rod that you can use to unpack it. So there it's open again, working just as it should. There it is. The 100-hour service on the Honda Snowblower is done, and it works really good. You do need to get the shop that fixed it after it was stolen to fix the battery and change it out with something that will hold. But right now I will load it on the Bobcat and we will drive down the street and clear some snow at the house. But that's maybe for another video. And as you might guess, this is the favorite machine for Kompis. He really loves this one when we are clearing snow with it and go and jump in the snow. So I need to be careful that I'm not blowing snow where I know it rocks or something like that, so he can get hit by it.